So first, we're going to install the supplier on our store. That way we can import the product and actually brand it out. And we're going with AutoDS yet again. So they are $1 for your first 30 days. It's literally a no-brainer. So this is a quick comparison. AutoDS has faster shipping. They get you private supplier rates. All of the suppliers are vetted, where AliExpress sometimes just ships out garbage. AutoDS can white label the products, custom logo, custom packaging, and then they have a dedicated team of suppliers where that way you're not messaging through AliExpress. You have a direct line of communication. Now, I have 3 quick examples for you of products from AutoDS's price versus AliExpress price. So this hair growth serum is $8.20 through AutoDS, and I know the product only shows $120 here, but you got to keep in mind there is $7 shipping as well. So this product comes out to $8.20 through AutoDS, but on AliExpress, it was $9.68. And this is a rather marginal difference, $1, not a total deal breaker, but other products, it could be the difference of like $10 to $15. And just to confirm, I know it says 99 cents here, but you can see the real price, $9.68, right next to that. AliExpress loves to do those misleading prices. 2 more quick examples then. Backless cami dress. This was $14.50 on AutoDS. Through AliExpress, it was $22.56. And same thing, you got to look at like the slashed out price. AliExpress is always misleading on that. So this is like a $7, $8 difference, which is pretty crazy. And one more, the air purifier. This is what we're actually going to build out a store for in today. But through AutoDS, it's $7.22. And then through AliExpress, it was $9.70. Again, some products it will be close. Usually like smaller products, they don't usually cost as much. But then bigger products like a dress or something that comes in a box will be a little more to ship out typically. So with that in mind, we're going to get started with AutoDS, and I will have the sign up link attached to the resource doc below. So click that. There's the $1 Shopify and the AutoDS. You don't need to use those links by any means, but if you want to support the free content so I can continue doing more, that's the easiest way to do so. And now that our AutoDS account is all created, we can return back to our Shopify store, and underneath the app section on the left side, you should see AutoDS here. If not, click apps, you should see AutoDS right here. And if you still don't see it, inside of AutoDS, just come to where you see my store here, click this pencil icon, and you'll be able to link your store to the platform. So to import a product, very simple. All you got to do is copy the AliExpress link. And that's the beauty of staying organized with your product research sheets, is we can have all of the data in one spot. So if we ever need to return to the competitor store, to their ad library, to the AliExpress listing, it's not an issue. So I'm going to copy this link one more time. Returning to AutoDS, we just got to hit add product, single product. We can paste the link in, and then we click publish to store. And they may ask if you want this AI enhancement. You can just click no thanks, I'll miss out. And then on the bottom right, the product's being added, so we can click here to track. And then up top, it says in progress, we can view details. And this will just take like 30, 60 seconds to add. So in the meantime, take a sip of your drink. I got some coffee today. And then if you want to sign up for AutoDS, I will have my $1 sign up link in the description below attached to the resource doc, right next to the $1 Shopify actually. You don't got to use those links, but again, if you want to support the free content we're doing here, that's one of the easiest ways where you don't really got to do much. Okay, the product is completed. And now if we come to our sell item ID and click the Shopify link, it should pull open our product page, but our store still has a password, unfortunately. So let's go remove that password real quick. Then we'll get a custom quote for our product, brand it out, and we can get ads launched in just a bit. So to remove the password, come to online store, themes, you'll see our password is on, and we can just click edit password here. And it's going to make you add your address to the stores. Okay, now we can disable the store's password. And now if I click the sell item ID, it should pull open our product page. But this is the issue. We have a lot of work to do, from the product name, the product photos, our pricing, the whole product description. We got no apps. We don't have a domain. We don't have a logo. We got jack. And finding the product's the hardest part. Branding it out, incredibly simple. So let's get to work. So let's return back to online store, and I'm going to import my pre-built theme to start. So we can come to import theme, upload zip file. we have our pre-built theme, and we just need to click upload. And the link to the pre-built theme is also on the resource file attached below. I'm hooking you guys up with basically everything for free today. So you get this exact theme. I usually charge people in the Discord for this, but if you're on the Raw channel, I got you guys. So once the theme's added, we're gonna click edit theme here. And I wanna show you how this theme works. So here's our product on the homepage. We're gonna click onto this, and this pulls open our product page. So we have an AI prompt where it's just gonna fill in all of these placeholder text for us, where as long as we can tell it our product name, it is going to just fill in all of these little details for us. So this is the full AI prompt. And again, this is attached to the pre-built theme file. So when you download the pre-built theme file, you will also get the link to this prompt. And as of lately, I have been using Claude for all my copywriting. So I've been using Claude instead of ChatGPT. In my opinion, it's just been a lot more dialed in. Now, before I go copy paste all of the text over for my product page, I want to complete some of like the basic product branding. So the title, the images, pricing, and then we'll come pimp out the store after. So let's exit the theme editor. We'll come to products on the left sidebar, and here is our product. So description here, we're going to clear out, not important. Now the competitor, hello?
Hi, what are they coming to fix again? Sorry.
Oh,
I forgot, I just don't.
air conditioner filter to start. We got to get the AC filter swapped out. So the competitor, they're calling this the Herbie Lung Cleanse Inhaler. That's a pretty good name, but we don't want to call it Herbie and just rip them. So for now, let's just call this the Lung Cleanse Inhaler, and I'm not going to put a trademark device. So on Claude, we'll say, give me more branded names for the lung, what the fuck's the product called? Sorry, lost my own train of thought. It's called the Lung Cleanse Inhaler. Let's try that one more time. Give me branded product names for my product, the Lung Cleanse Inhaler. The competitor calls it the Herbie Lung Cleanse Inhaler. Below is the entire competitor store for inspiration. Give me a list of 10 product names that we can call this product for ourselves. Okay, I just speak. It's a lot easier to speak your words, speak your thoughts than type. And this tool, by the way, is called Whisper Flow. Man, I'm not affiliated with them. But let me show you this. Look, in the last 13 weeks, I have spoken over 100,000 words, 192 words per minute. So instead of typing, I'm just yapping into it, guys. So much easier. Oh man, you guys are going to get so much work done. And then also, I'm going to just Control A, copy the whole competitor store, and we're just going to paste it into Claude. So I have stopped using ChatGPT because I was getting pissed of telling it to do the same things every time. Like, not BS, no fluff, no BS. You know, like the same stuff it would always keep screwing with. I like this Pure Air Herbal Inhaler. That sounds pretty nice. So we're going to call it that for now. Pure Air Herbal Inhaler. Save.